If you are coming to Kyoto from the US, one of the major ways would be to arrive at Kansai International Airport (KIX) in Japan. In this video, I will show you how to get to Kyoto from KIX. First of all, let me tell you that there are several ways to get to Kyoto from Kansai International Airport, such as using a limousine bus. But I recommend using JR's Haruka express train and taking a cab from JR Kyoto Station to the hotel. So I will show you how to do that in this video. I will also explain why I recommend this method later, so please watch this video until the end. I will try to make this video as concise as possible and without omitting any important information. Don't forget to subscribe, not to say later, where was that video? With the method I recommend, the train ride is 1 hour and 20 minutes. If you consider that after the plane lands, you have to pick up your suitcase, go through customs, buy a train ticket, get a cab in Kyoto, and finally arrive at your hotel, it can take up to 3 hours after landing in Japan. I definitely want you to watch this video because you have to do a lot of things after a long flight while being nervous about whether you will arrive at your hotel safely during those 3 hours. Okay, let's get started. First, go through customs and out the arrival entrance. No matter where you arrive from, look at the signs and follow the direction of the railways. International arrivals are on the first floor and the train station is on the second floor, so the first thing you have to do is to go to the second floor. There are convenience stores, fast food restaurants, and pharmacies on the second floor, so if you want to buy something before boarding the train, finish your shopping on this floor. No matter where you are, no matter what extra things you do, find the railway signs. They are everywhere. Okay, I can see the station now. What the heck? There are 2 lines? Don't worry, remember, the blue one is the line to Kyoto. Ignore the orange. The blue one is the JR station. JR stands for Japan Railways and it takes only 1 hour and 20 minutes from Kansai Airport to Kyoto by express train without changing trains. JR is a large railroad company with tracks all over Japan, and you will probably ride it several times during your stay in Japan. I'll now explain step by step what you need to do upon arriving at Kansai International Airport to take the Haruka train to Kyoto. There are several ways to purchase JR tickets, and explaining all the methods would take forever. I'll tell you how I would do if I were you. My method requires some cash in Japanese yen. There's only one thing you need to do, get a ticket, which might be tricky for first-timers. No advance online reservation is required. All you need to do is just be there. By watching this video, you will have your ticket in hand within 5 minutes. First, when riding JR trains, having an Eco-Car card is convenient. The Eco-Car card is a physical card that you preload with cash and you use it to pay train fares. While you can also use Eco-Car smartphone app with a credit card, you might worry about your phone running out of battery during your trip. Plus, having a physical Eco-Car card is incredibly convenient while traveling in Japan, so I always recommend my guests buy an Eco-Car card first. This card is designed to be tapped at the ticket gate later, and the fare will be deducted when you exit at the Kyoto station. This machine is just for buying an Eco-Car card. Let's do it together.
Make your selection below. 选择按钮. 원하는 버튼을 선택해주세요. Guidance will be displayed in English.
I think putting in 10,000 yen is a good idea. This amount should fully cover the fare to Kyoto and be just right for spending during your trip. If I start talking about Ikoka card, it will again take forever, so you absolutely have to watch this video later. Physical Ikoka cards can only be purchased with cash. When traveling in Japan, you still occasionally need cash, so I recommend bringing some Japanese yen with you. You cannot ride the Haruka using only an Ikoka card. Unlike other JR trains that stops at many stations, the Haruka is a limited express train that stops only at a few major stations to get to Kyoto quickly. Therefore, in addition to the regular fare, a limited express ticket is required. It's like paying for the extra speed. You can buy limited express tickets at these green ticket machines. Several important pieces of information are included on the screen. These times show the Haruka trains departing from now, listed horizontally in order of departure time. Let's take this train. This shows the stations where Haruka stops. You only need to look at the Kyoto section. Here, the types of seats are displayed. Haruka consists of multiple cars. Ordinary cars are general seats that you reserve. They are like economy class on an airplane. Green cars are upgraded seats that you reserve, like business class on an airplane. Non-reserved seats have the same seat size as regular reserved seats, but there are no seat assignments in this car. You just take whatever seat you see. I recommend the green car. For only about $5 more, you can sit in a very comfortable seat. If you see a circle here, it means that a seat is available, so tap on the circle. Finally, select the number of passengers. You can choose 1, 2, or more. I choose 1. Okay, since we have a choice, let's tap select from seat number. The green car seems to be car number 1. Tap the circle again. Okay. In the green car, you can choose to sit alone without anyone next to you. I'm traveling alone right now, so I'll choose this option and confirm.
Please select a section for the basic fare ticket.
From here, it's very important. You don't need a basic fare ticket because you have an Ikoka card. Remember, your basic fare will be paid from your Ikoka card. So tap Purchase Limited Express Ticket only. Now what? Confirm again. You can select cash or card. The Limited Express ticket can be paid with a credit card too. Wait a minute. When I bought the Ikoka card earlier, I could only use cash, right? And you may be wondering the same way. Please just accept that this is how it is. That's life.
Now checking. Please wait.
PIN number. I want a receipt, so I'll press this button, but it's up to you.
Please
There you go.
your card and ticket. If you need a receipt, press the receipt button. Issuing tickets
It
now.
may have seemed complicated up to this point, but if you follow the machine's instructions, you'll be fine.
Thank you very much.
A lot of people are doing this without my video. I just want you to be prepared a little bit. The receipt you get looks just like a ticket and can be confusing. But this is your limited express ticket. What you need right now is your Ikoka card and your limited express ticket. Alright, you are all set. Let's go through the ticket gate. All you need to do is tap your Ikoka card on the ticket gate. Your limited express ticket is not required at the ticket gate, but it contains important information, so please make sure not to lose it. Your train departure time, car number, and seat number are printed here. Let's go downstairs. Trains other than the Haruka also depart from this station. Haruka has an iconic white and blue appearance. Please don't board any other trains. You ride in the green car. By the way, This is the ordinary car. And this is the green car. Worth more than $5, right? If you have time before your Haruka arrives at the platform, try buying a drink from the vending machine using the Ikoka card you just bought. Select your drink by pressing the button, then hold your card over the card reader to get it. That's it. If you have a reserved seat including green car, the conductor will not come to check your ticket. You will arrive in Kyoto even if you sleep the whole way. You can store your suitcase in the luggage rack between the cars. Also, if it's a small suitcase, you can easily place it between your seat and the one in front of you, or you can use the overhead luggage rack. The green car offers a wide range of relaxing features and a large window for viewing the scenery. You have arrived at Kyoto Station. Welcome to Kyoto. After getting off the train, look for the signs for the central exit. Everyone getting off the train will be heading in the same direction. Just follow everybody, go straight ahead, and the central exit will appear on your left. Don't worry, you can't miss it. Tap your Ikoka card on the ticket gate and go outside the station. You no longer need your limited express ticket. Exit the central ticket gate and you will see the Kyoto Tower right in front of you. Please proceed to the right from the central ticket gate. You will find the taxi stand immediately.
Welcome to Kyoto. This is Kyoto Station, Karasuma Gate taxi stand. Taxis on the near side are for any users. Taxis on the farther side are foreign-friendly taxis. They are mainly for users from overseas. The taxi drivers are officially accepted by Kyoto City government. They can communicate in several foreign languages and will take you to your destinations with warm hospitality. Please feel free to take foreign-friendly taxis. No extra charge is required, and we accept credit cards. Thank you.
In Japan, cab doors are opened automatically by the driver. Now finally, let me explain why I recommend a combination of Haruka and cab to get from Kansai International Airport to your hotel in Kyoto. First, while limousine buses are one of the main ways to get to Kyoto, I prefer Haruka train. Riding the train, you can get a close-up view of Japanese daily life, people's homes, parks, stadiums, pedestrians, cyclists, and more. And the reason I recommend taking a taxi from Kyoto Station is that subways and buses can be difficult to board with a large suitcase, and they can also be very crowded. Also, taxi will take you right to your hotel. If your hotel is in the downtown area, 2,000 yen from Kyoto Station should be enough, which is about $13. The total cost for Haruka ticket and taxi fare will be around 5,000 to 6,500 yen, depending on your hotel's location. This is about $33 to $45. Expected to take about 3 hours from landing to reaching your hotel room. You might wonder why Kyoto, a relatively large city, doesn't have an airport. Sorry, we just don't have one. You don't need to memorize everything in this video. There are signs everywhere. Also, you can ask a station attendant or somebody nearby. I'm not a JR employee, so I can't answer all your questions, but I'd be really happy if you shared your experience in the comment section of this video. Your experience might help other travelers. This channel also have other videos with useful tips for traveling in Kyoto, so be sure to check out the other videos too. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel not to say later, where was that video? Konnichiwa! Did you like my video? My name is Yuki. I do dyeing and art in Kyoto. I have American customers and friends who come to visit the studio where I work. So I've completed some useful information for them on YouTube. You can become Kyoto ready by watching all the videos here. If you are interested in what I usually do as an artist, check out my work on Instagram. And if you'd like to come visit my studio, send me a DM from there. Hopefully, see you in Kyoto!